It's important to approach weight gain in a healthy and sustainable manner. Rapid weight gain in just 5 days might not be safe or effective. However, I can provide you with a recipe for a nutrient-dense smoothie that can support healthy weight gain over time. Remember, gaining weight should involve a combination of increasing calorie intake, engaging in strength training, and maintaining a balanced diet. Healthy weight gain smoothie recipe. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup whole milk or a milk alternative, e.g., almond milk, coconut milk, 2 tablespoons natural peanut butter or almond butter, 1/4 cup oats, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup for sweetness, 1 tablespoon chia seeds or ground flax seeds, 1/4 cup mixed nuts, e.g., almonds, walnuts, cashews, 1/2 cup frozen berries, e.g., blueberries, strawberries. Instructions. 1. Start by blending the ripe banana, Greek yogurt, and milk until smooth. 2. Add the peanut butter, oats, honey or maple syrup, chia seeds or ground flax seeds, and blend again until everything is well combined. 3. Add the mixed nuts and frozen berries, then blend until you achieve your desired consistency. 3. If the smoothie is too thick, you can add a bit more milk to thin it out. 4. Taste and adjust sweetness if needed by adding more honey or maple syrup. 5. Pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy. This smoothie is rich in healthy fats, protein, fiber, and various nutrients, making it a good option for supporting your weight gain goals. However, remember that true and sustainable weight gain involves consistent effort over a longer period of time. If you have specific dietary or health concerns, it's recommended to consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet.